Well, I was just scrolling through Facebook and I saw the link to it, and then I was like, oh, this could be nice. And then I just went for it.
Well, this year we put the scholarship together for the first time, and this year we just simply asked people to tell us their story, to give us their take on why they are passionate about music and why they are interested in a career in the creative arts and the music industry, and just detail a few things about their history of music performance, and also their maybe some idea of the challenges that they've overcome in their life.
I thought I wouldn't have much of a chance. And then I got an email saying that I'm one of the top 10 applicants.
Leon was a standout in a sense that both with his statement that we asked for in the scholarship application and also his university application.
It's a bit overwhelming, just because it's such a big business, like the Rolling Stone magazine.
So it gives him $15,000 worth of cash. Hopefully he'll spend it on the right things. But it also gives him a connection to Rolling Stone magazine. Now, Rolling Stone magazine is probably the absolute pinnacle or centre of the music media around the world. And having that connection to Rolling Stone gives him I suppose, a marketing edge and a leverage into the industry where he'll have a direct line to the editor of Rolling Stone.
Currently I'm playing drums, bass and guitar, and I've been messing around with the piano a bit. I'm trying to get more experience on the business side though. My main goal is to become a session musician. I just like to play music with everyone and all the styles as well.